In a partnership, a fixed payment made to a partner for services provided to the partnership is known as what? So what do we know as a fixed payment made to the partner? Is it called a normal distribution? Is it called a guaranteed payment? And this topic give students hard time, especially guaranteed payment. Like, students don't understand what a guaranteed payment is and what is a normal distribution. And it's very important because they sound similar. The partnership is given money, but how it's treated, it's totally different. So you have to understand. So the best way to understand this is to go back to the form 1065. And here's what I want you to see. I want you to zoom in on line 10. Okay, right here. I'm going to highlight line 10. And as you can see on line 10 clearly, it says guarantee payment. And as you can see too, it's part of the deduction. So simply put, on line 10, guarantee payment to partners is a business deduction. Okay, so let's go back. Guarantee payment is a business deduction. So what's a guarantee payment? A guarantee payment is a fixed payment made to a partner for services provided. Here's how the guarantee payment works. Simply put, when you are a partner in a partnership, you may be devoting a lot of your time. In other words, that's all what you do for a living, or the majority of your time you're devoting it to a partnership. So what you do, you will agree with the partners agree among themselves. For example, I devote 100% of my time to the partnership. You don't. You do have a full-time job and you devote maybe 5 hours a week. Well, what I do to live, to pay rent, to pay mortgage, to buy food, I need a guarantee payment. Therefore, the guarantee payment is a fixed amount to a partner for services provided, regardless of the profit of the partnership. Okay, so this is what a guarantee payment is. It's different than a normal distribution, which we'll talk about normal distribution in a moment. Guarantee payment, as you already know, it is deductible for the partnership. You remember online, I just showed you on line 10, you can physically see on line 10, it's deductible. Now what you need to know, this guarantee payment is included as taxable for the partner. Obviously, it's taxable for the partner. It's taxable, so it goes to them as taxes. So if the partnership paid them $50,000, it's taxable to them as income. Okay, so the guarantee payment is taxable. So this is the definition. So is normal distribution the same as guarantee payment? And the answer is absolutely not. Distribution is when the partnership distribute money to the partner or distribute asset. The first thing we need to know, that's not deductible. It's not tax deductible. So in other words, it's not. So notice this one is deductible. The guarantee payment is deductible. I'm sorry, the pen is giving me a hard time. And taxable. The normal distribution, the ND, not deductible. And first, let's make sure it's not deductible. You can scan all the deduction and you don't see a normal distribution. And not taxable. Now, you should know not taxable, what not taxable means. It means when you distribute something to me, it's not taxable. Hold on a second. Are you saying I'm receiving stuff from the partnership and it's not taxable? And the answer is yes. And you should know that's the case, because if you understand that the partnership is a pass-through entity, it means everything that you're getting, it's already been taxed. Therefore, it's not taxable. Therefore, let's go back to answer this question. What do we call a fixed payment made to a partner for services provided? We call it guarantee payment, and the answer is B as in boy, not normal distribution. Normal distribution is totally different. They're two different things. Normal distribution versus guarantee payment, something that you need to be very familiar with.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.